Hello everyone. Today we're going to create an account for Projects Hub, and it's a pretty simple process, but there's a few steps in it, so I'm going to walk you through it. So first what you want to do is you want to actually download the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. And that's a pretty simple process. You can just search Projects Hub, and then it should be one of the top results. And then it's going to have an icon just like this one on the page here with the white background and the green house. So once you have it downloaded, you're going to see a page similar to this. And the button you're going to want to click is right below login. It says first time, get signed up here. So once you click that, you're going to go to a page that looks like this, and this is the sign up page. And then there's a few bits of information you want to put in. So you want to put in your name, in this case, Sylvester, and then put in your password, cats are amazing, and then email sylvester@catmail.com. And then just check this checkbox, which just says that you're agreeing to have an email verification code sent to you. So once all that info is entered, you can click the Create Account button, and then that's going to take you to this page, and then this is where we verify your email. So Projects Hub is going to send you an email with a verification code, and then this is sent to the email that you entered in the last step. And so if you just go to the inbox of that email, and then in that email there's going to be a 6-digit verification code, and then you can enter that in this text box. And then once you enter that, you can click Verify, and then your account's going to be created. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hope you have a great day. If you, however, have any more questions, don't hesitate to put them down in the comment section below.